Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing great. The big question is, will the Ethereum ETF approval will skyrocket Kaspa? And I believe it will be. The big question, of course, is will the Ethereum ETF get approved today? Because the deadline is on May 23, and that is today, as you know. I truly believe if we're going to see an approval, that the altcoins will skyrocket. I don't believe that we're going to see a sell the news event. I believe it can trigger actually an altcoin season. The big question, of course, is will it get approved? And that is where my doubt is coming in, because I believe that BlackRock has a bigger influence on the SEC than other ETFs invoices. So possibly we're going to see multiple approvals for multiple Ethereum ETFs, but there is also a possibility, guys, that we're going to see a delay. So if we're going to see delay, we could nuke in the sense of a lot of bearish sentiment and sell pressure in the short term, of course, because in the end, it's imminent that the Ethereum ETFs will get approved sooner than later. So let's see what's going to happen today. I hope we're going to see an approval, because I believe we're going to see an altcoin season, and I think we're going to see the bull run in full mode, 100% uptrend. So that is really, really interesting to see what's going to happen today. And again, I also believe that Kaspa will skyrocket on that news. So let's see what's going to happen, guys. Currently, Kaspa is doing great. We are in spot number 32. Yesterday, we were sitting at spot number 36. So we are increasing in the sense of market cap, and we're climbing up the ladder. So the top 20 is imminent, in my opinion. Kaspa is doing great. We are trading above 14 cents, and that is looking bullish to me. On the weekly, as you already know, we have a clear breakout out of the falling wedge pattern. So that is pretty awesome. If we take a look at the daily, ignore the white lines, guys, because that is the falling wedge draw on the weekly. We could see a really nice reversal and uptrend. I believe the biggest resistance and the most important one for right now is 14.5 cents. I believe we're going to retest this area, and I hope to see that we're going to flip it into a support before we go higher in the sense of prices. So that is looking great. And if you are watching right now the rainbow chart, you will see that we are touching the light blue trend line of the rainbow chart. We are retesting it again. We tested it before on 10th of May, and we got rejected. And let's see if we can break it and flip it into a support. That would be really great, in my opinion. And I will expect that to happen. And if we see Ethereum approvals in the sense of ETFs, we're going to flip this in a support really, really fast, in my opinion. We will see a huge price increase for Kaspa. Nonetheless, expect some volatility, guys. We could see relatively bad news for the ETF approvals, and then we go down probably, and we're going to see some bearish momentum on the short term only, in my opinion. It's just a matter of time before Bitcoin Kaspa is going higher in prices for right now. Again, as you know, I don't believe this is the cycle top. I think it's way too early. And we're going to see higher prices before we're going to enter a bear market, in my opinion, at least. And that's the game I play. I'm in it to win it and not in it to not lose. That is a big difference, guys. So looking great. Expect to, on the short term, expect to see a retest of the 14.5 cents level. Maybe we're going to see a rejection before we're going to retest it again and flip it. But with good news on the Ethereum ETF approvals, we're going to flip this probably and flip this into a support. So it's looking good, guys. We have nice momentum. We have a nice bullish trend right now. So things are looking great. Also, if you take a look at some metrics, the hash rate is above 270, even above 280 right now. So things are looking great. mining power is increasing, so it's securing the network, and I believe the price of Kaspa will follow the hash rate in the end. So it's looking great, guys. If we take a look at the top addresses, we have some nice accumulation going on. Again, of course, we lose some whales. It is what it is. But in the end, I mean, this is looking great. Last 30 days, a lot of accumulation. Last 7 days as well. So nothing wrong about that. And if you take a look, I'm always taking a look at significant accumulation. 1.3 million at the number 16 ranked address. So that is what I want to see. The big question, of course, are those new exchange listings? You never know, guys. So it's really nice. Kaspa is looking great. We have the Rust mining migration going on. We're currently 57% is mined by Rust nodes. So it's pretty stable, but the migration is going well. There is nothing bad/negative news about that. It's just a matter of time before we see the full migration. And as you know, we have in about a couple of weeks, we're going to see the launch of the ecosystem for Kaspa, the KRC20, and that would be really, really bullish in the sense of fundamentals for Kaspa. And I believe top 20 trading in the top 20 on CoinMarketCap is coming pretty soon. I mean, it's not that hard. We need to flip around 6 billion, and we are even in the below in the top 15. So it's going to happen, guys. I truly believe it's a matter of time. So if you have any questions, please comment down below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You're helping the channel out really if you do that. So thank you very much for that. I wish you all a wonderful day. Crypto T out.